Welcome back to another video of Star Sword, and today I am showing you how to tutorial my Lego creations. And these are all 3 soda machines, and I'm going to show you a tutorial of these. Okay, let's start with the smallest soda machine. You know, in the Philippines, the only thing that can work is a 5 cents. Well, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get 5 cents. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I got the 5 cents, and this is how it works. I just, guys, you see these ramp? I just put the coin right here. Then a tray comes out with a soda. And I can just put it back and reverse the process. But you need to get the coin out first. Okay, let's start the tutorial. Alright guys, I'm back. I disassembled my Lego. So guys, this is how you start. You need a 4x4, but I don't have a 4x4, so I just use 2 2x4s, and I just put them together. You need a flat piece and another 2 2x2 flat plate. Wall, stop. Okay, I don't have another 2x4, so I'm just using this. It's like a 2x4 but flatter. Okay, next you need a 1x2 ramp, or you can just use a 1x1 ramp. Oh yeah, stop. I just put them right here, and that's how you do it. Then after that you need 2 1x4s. 2 1x4s. Then you put. Then how to make this? You need a 1x4, a double. Wait. You need You need this. 1x2 double plate. I don't know what these things are made. And you need a 1x2 plate. You just put this right here on the flat piece right here. Then you need to place it right where the ramp is, right here, like this, like that. After that, you need to do the same as the other side before you put it right there, like this, like that. And I just put it right up there. And after that, you need to make the tray. So how to do it? You need a 2x3 plate. I mean, 2x3 plate. I don't know what these things are called. These things. And I think you need these sleep things. I don't know what these things are called. And you need a 1x2 flat plate, right, like this one. I don't know what these things are called, but I don't have another one, so I just use studs on the other one. Soda. Okay. Hey, oops. Okay, I'm back. Hey, stop! Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry how you hear that. But after you did the tray, you do that. And you need a 1x, I don't know these things are called, but you need a flat piece. Put it right in between, right there. And here you have the tray. After that, when you were, hurry up, please. Okay, oh my god. Okay, after that, you need to put it right here, the tray, put it right there. Then after that, you need to block it up. But before you do that, you need to put the plate right there. Okay, sorry how to do that. But
put it up.
after that, you need to put the soda in there. Oops. Oh.
But
Whoops. Okay, just gonna put my soda back in there. Then I put my
Bud.
1x4, I think. I know. Then after that, I need to put the.
Bud. Sit
Then
down.
I need to just block it out.
Bud.
After that, you officially completed. Just need to put this in there and
Drop it. Drop
you get
it.
your soda. That's how
Drop
you
it.
do
Drop it.
the
Drop
pocket
it.
size or world's smallest soda machine. And I'm sorry about the God. Oh yeah, you flip the camera. Okay. After that was this. Now this is next. The soda machine.
Bud.
Okay, I'll be right back when I disassemble this. Okay guys, I'm back and you need to start here with a 4x4 and you need a ramp right here and a flat piece on the axis. After that you need to put a 1x2 on top of it and you need two 1x4s on top with another 1x4 on top. After that you need two flat pieces on the sides. And this is the key to complete it. And I'll show you how to make it later. After that you need a 2x4 and you need to put a flat piece on top and a ramp and a glass. Okay, wait lang. Okay, just wait right there.
Guys, sabi ko sa'yo dapat tahimik, di ba? Kaya niya yung vlog mo. Kung manunood siya, walang maintindihan.
Well, sorry about that. Okay. After that, you need a glass piece or any flat piece like this one, and a ramp. Just place it on top like that. Then after that, you need. Wait. Okay. You need to fill in the gaps. Okay. This might take a second or two or four. Okay, after that you need to put the key in right there, and this is why it's in there, so it doesn't go any further. After that you can actually design it by putting these things on top like that. Then you have to fill this gap in. I have different pieces for that, so and after that showing, you need to put 1x2 on top of these. After that, you know, 1x4 piece, put it right there in the gap, and you're complete. Now, what is next is the roof. Okay, this is how you do it. You need a 4x4. I don't have a 4x4. And put some design on top. You just actually, I don't have a design on the top. I just do this. Just make sure. Then after that, you put the soda right here in the gap. Out of shut it. Okay, after that, you need to put your money in there. Just put your money in there. Then pull it. Oops, you didn't see it. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I think. Okay, after that, you need to put your money right on the ramp that you just placed right there. Then pull the key, and out comes your soda. Okay. after that, I'm gonna show how to make the key. This. Okay, I just gotta dismantle it up. Okay, guys, I'm back, and let's show how the tutorial to make the key. You need a 1x6 plate right there, and you need a flat 1x6. I think. Put it on top like that. After that, you know 1x2, and ignore the sounds in the background. Ignore the sounds in the background. Then I just place the 1x2 on the bottom. Put one by one with the a hole in there, and just put a ramp on top so you can get hold. And I just place this right here, and you have your key. I just slide it like that all the way up. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, and next up is another one. This one, but I'm not gonna dismantle this because it's really hard. Okay, I'm just gonna use some things. Wait. Okay, guys, I'm back. And how to make this contraption. I'll be right back. Hey, guys, I'm back, and this is how you start. You need a 3x4 plate right here, and on top of it is another 3x4, a 3x4 on top with a flat piece. Put a 2x4 right here. Put a ramp with a 1x1 and a 1x1 flat piece, but I don't have one, so I'm just using this circle. Put it on top of the ramp like so, and then after putting the 2x2, you need to put another a 1x2 on the side, but don't put anything on the other side. After that, you need to make this. You need a 4x4, 1x2 plate. Put it right here. Attach something on top. Attach a flat 1x1. Then put a 1x3 right here. Put a 1x4 right here, and another one on top. Then after that, you need a 1x4, a flat 1x3, and stud. I don't have the flat. I have the other flat of these. I don't have. Wait, I'll show you. I'm talking about. I have another one of these, so I just use a stud. It works the same way. Okay. After that, you just put it right here. There we go. And the key is just a flat 1x6 and a stud. The key actually goes right here. And this is the world's smallest soda machine, and this is soda machine 2, and this is soda machine 2. Okay, next is you need 3 1x4s, but I don't have those, so I just use this. After that you need 2 1 actually, and just need 1x4. Again, 1x4 and a 1x3 plate on top, and a 1x1 flat piece on top. But so that you don't get mixed up, you just put it on the opposite side where the stud is. I just put it right there. And I just put back the key on top. Then after that you need a 3x4 again. A 3x4? Yes, 3x4. Put these flat things. I don't have the other flat things without these, so I just been digging for these. You don't actually need these things on the bottom. you just need to put it on top, like so. Wait, okay. Back with the top. Okay, guys, I'm back, and the real reason why these things have this, you have to put your soda right there, and block it out so it doesn't go anywhere else. Then it's done. That's how you make it, actually. That's how you make the smallest soda machine. Okay, now after that you need to pull this, then out comes your soda. It comes from right here. But you need to dang it. Okay, after that you need after that that's why actually that's why I lowered a layer from here, because last version of this I never showed it to you guys, but last version never I can't put a soda in there. I can only put two studs on top. I can only put studs. Oops. Okay. Actually, I don't. Okay, just put. Actually, you can't put the 3x4 on top without the key. Right there, just put it right there, and you can see it's easy to get off and put it back on because there's flat pieces on top. I just literally put the soda right there, then that's actually kind of it. It just the soda actually kind of falls through the hole it fell from, like this. I just pull the soda in. Wait, okay. The soda in this machine gets dropped by the pulling right there. And that's the end of the tutorial. See you next time on Storm Sword.